Hello and welcome. This video will introduce you to special fields. These fields allow you to supplement device information with data that is valuable for inventorying and storing, but cannot be automatically collected during scanning. This could be anything from individual notes about a device to entire classes of data that are important to your organization and can later be easily displayed in reports. With its general functionality, the mode is divided into common and special fields. The difference between these sub-modes is that data categories entered in common fields apply to all devices, while categories and special fields pertain only to an individual device. Let's take a closer look at each mode. The Common Fields mode allows you to add groups with the following information: string, numeric, calendar, price, and logical. You can also create a folder where all these categories can be added, thus creating group hierarchies. A significant feature of the Common Fields mode is the ability to display information about network devices that support the SNMP protocol. Choosing any of these fields will determine the display format and what values will be shown in the reports. Let's explore scenarios where using these fields might be useful. For example, if you know the required parameter of a network printer that indicates the type of cartridge used, you can add this value and specify a name in a convenient format. If no name is specified, it will be automatically generated according to the existing TNI database. By setting and specifying the required parameter in the general fields, you can then easily see the necessary result in table reports. If you have multiple devices, the search bar will help you find the desired parameter more quickly. Now let's look at another example where the parameter is known, but there is no any information on a numeric value. To facilitate further work and add the parameter to the general fields, use the Screen Report mode. In this mode, select the SNMP device tree. Since the device itself is already selected in the network tree, by selecting the required parameter in the list or using the search bar, we will add this parameter as a required field. As we can see, when adding, a similar window appears where you can also enter the required parameter name. After making all the changes, the data will be added to the general fields in the same way and will be displayed in all relevant modes. Now let's look at the Special Fields mode. This type of the fields allows you to add categories and information that will be unique to each device in the network tree. An important difference between special fields and common fields is the ability to attach various files to the selected device. And the last but not least, creating groups in common fields allows you to form the groups as separate classes within the program. This lets you generate easily the necessary reports based on the data that cannot be collected automatically but was entered manually. Once you create the required template, you can see that all the data in the report is built based on the groups in common fields. Meanwhile, the information entered in the special fields is shown only for the individual device. In conclusion, if you are unable to collect all the data or have special and specific information that needs to be stored or tracked, the custom fields functionality is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching.